Okay, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm literally cooking in here. I hate Arizona. I want to be in California. Oh my god. I am literally cooking in here. Stupid jacket. Lunchbox. I need water! I'm addicted to water. Cooking in a truck! Really, it's like I'm taking a shower. Except with clothes on. Oh my god, help me! I'm literally gonna die!